Hey, Jake, have you seen the weather today? It's raining again.
Hey, Emma. Yeah, I noticed. I had to bring my umbrella. I really don't like rainy days.
Same here. When it rains, I usually just stay inside, drink hot chocolate, and watch movies. What about you?
That sounds cozy. I like reading or playing video games when it's raining. If I have to go outside, I always wear my rain boots and jacket.
That's smart. But honestly, I prefer warm, sunny days. What do you like to do in the summer when it's hot?
Oh, I love summer. In the US, I usually go to the beach, have barbecues, or go hiking. How about you?
I enjoy swimming and eating ice cream to cool down. Sometimes, I go to amusement parks, but when it's too hot, I just stay indoors with the air conditioning.
Yeah, the heat can be unbearable sometimes. What do you prefer, hot weather or cold weather?
I think I prefer cold weather. You can always wear layers to stay warm. What about you?
I agree. Cold weather is easier to deal with. When it's too hot, there's only so much you can do.
True. What do you usually do when it's really cold outside?
I love drinking hot coffee, wearing warm sweaters, and sitting by the fireplace. If it's not too bad, I like going for a walk in the cold air.
That sounds nice. I usually wear extra layers and drink a lot of tea. I also use a heater at home.
Good idea. But snow is a whole different problem. What do you do when it's snowing?
I love watching the snow from my window, but I don't like driving in it. The roads get so dangerous.
I know, right? Shoveling snow is the worst. It's exhausting.
Definitely. And I always have to wear thick boots because the sidewalks get really slippery.
Same here. But I have to admit, snow can be beautiful. I enjoy building snowmen and having snowball fights.
That's true. I love making hot soup and staying under a warm blanket when it snows.
That sounds perfect. So, what's your favorite season?
I think I like fall the best. The weather is cool, but not too cold, and the trees look beautiful. What about you?
I love spring. It's not too hot or too cold, and everything starts blooming again.
Both are great seasons. No matter the weather, we always find ways to enjoy it.
Exactly. Well, I hope the rain stops soon. I don't want to get soaked on my way home.
Me too. Stay dry, Jake.
You too, Emma. See you later.